Hey, hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel once again. So if you don't know guys, my name is Vijay. I am from UP, from Sultanpur near to Ayodhya, like Ayodhya and Sultanpur between the border have my village. So I am from here and you know I make a blog in English. I teach how to learn English. I would not say I'm a teaching, I am learning together also. Let's learn together. So that's how I do. And I do contractions work which is a tiles, marbles, stone, granite that I do. One of the video I told also. So apart from my work, I learn English. I love learning English. I love self improvement, so that I do. And as you can see behind me is a farming area. Here is a sugar cane. And you know how you can learn English. If you want to learn English with fun way, you have to listen a song. You have to listen a song in English, and after that try to sing song with that lyrics, like search whatever you like. I would say listen a song, one song 2 3 times 4 times, not like every single day. You cannot guess, you cannot you can sing a song. If you want to sing a song in English, just choose one song in English and go YouTube and search this song with subtitles, whatever you want to sing and whatever you want to have. Because if you do that things, if you don't like it also, songs everybody likes. So if you that do that, your pronunciation, your accent will improve, your muscles will be improve, mouth muscles, so that you try to do. Because I love to listening us music in English. My friends also telling me all the time, why are you like listening, what the hell, I'm not able to understand what are you listening. I said no, I like this song. And yeah, because so many songs are I love in English, and try to sing with that lyrics, then your pronunciation and your accent will be improved, so the second is, if you want to improve English while watching a movies, while watching a web series, while watching anything in Indian. If you want to watch Indian web series, if you want to watch Indian movie in English, then I have a application, same like a same like a Netflix. If you don't have that much money to purchase a Netflix premium, then try Netmirror. Netmirror application, I'll send the link, I'll send here Netmirror. So try to like use a Netmirror, download from, I think Netmirror app is not available in Play Store. Try to download in from Chrome. If you go Chrome, search Netmirror app, then download that app. Because if you download, then so many Indian movie also, like dubbed in, like Animal movie, Salar movie, RRR movie, and uh, so many like web series, the Royals, and Indian also. So like so many, then you can watch, and also you can learn English with that movie, also you will improve, and also you will enjoy while watching our movies, that's how I learn. And I like to learn English with doing something activity, like enjoying. I love watching a reels. So many people say don't watch a reel if you want to improve your English. So I would say no, try to do all things, not stop any kind of things. Stop watching your native language, try to switch all the things in English. If you watch reels, any kind of reels in English, then you will improve na. So try to watch, if you want to watch comedian, if you want to watch uh, like any kind of things, like music and something else, try to watch in English, uh, English language, then you will improve. So like try to switch your all this thing in English, then you will improve English. It's not that much easy to learn. It's easy but not that much, if it is, so everybody like speak English, but nobody, not that much people can speak English. Because if you give your 100% effort, then you will learn. If you try to learn, and look at the beauty, my behind me such a greenery, you know. From there, one girl is coming. Too shy to talk. Making a video with girls, so that's I'm going. As you can see, they are coming with bicycle, and he is looking me. I don't know what he think about me. He's not from my village. I'm far from my house. I'm going to this way. He never ever come this way. So I'm kind of shy person, bro. To be honest, I don't have that much courage to talk with girls. I have, but sometimes I feel freeze. I don't know why. Here, sugar cane. So many people love to eating a sugar cane, chewing. I don't know what should I tell an nest. People are always trying to teach something. I don't know what should I do. And okay, so I'm going to show you a beautiful pond. Mm, okay, look at the behind me. I'm not invisible. Black. I'm a black. So what? You people will see. Okay, here a pond. I love in summer season. People are do swimming. I love doing swimming in a pond everywhere in river. I love one of my favorite activity. I love swimming, but my parents are not allow it to do. If I do, my mother always saying, "What are you doing?" Hmm. So these are, and also like nowadays it's like winter is too high, and the temperature is lower, is around 60 or 7 degree. And I get a time which like in night time and morning. In morning time I wake up 7 o'clock, and I go my work for my work at 6 o'clock. So I don't have that much time to talk with someone in English. But yeah, in night time after 7 I get a time. But at my home I never ever speak English because I feel shy while speaking, while conversation in my house in English. So, and also if I go my outside my home, like my farming areas, and like in a road to speak in English with someone, then my mom always saying, where are you, come, don't go outside in night time. Why are you always like going outside? I said, I just walking. I'm not doing something else. My mom and my father always shouting me, why are you going outside in night time? What I tell. So I just said, okay, I will not go next time. So whenever I get time I talk, and not I'm not that much practicing English. Not that much I practice, but not that much. But because sometimes I feel like, let's take a pause few days. So sometimes I feel, yeah, let's learn crazy way. Sometimes I'm, yeah, so many people say whatever you do, just do 100%. If you like to learn, put 100% effort. If you like to do any other activity, do 100%. If you wanna feel, if you wanna skip today, if you wanna do, but I would say don't skip a single day while learning English. But I do. So bye bye, see you soon. Maybe next video, in my next video, a full video, I think my camera will be changed, my phone will be changed. Who know? Let's see. Bye, see you soon.